This November, we're celebrating the scholars you've probably never heard of, but definitely should have. Now, Dr. Abdus Salam was a Pakistani theoretical physicist who won the 1979 Nobel Prize for his work on the electroweak force, unifying electromagnetic and weak nuclear forces. This was a major step forward towards a unified theory. But while Salam achieved the recognition that many other people that I've talked about in these videos were denied, his story is still about being undervalued and ultimately rejected by his own country because of his faith. Born in 1926 in what was then British India, now Pakistan, Salam showed exceptional mathematical abilities from an early age. He earned his PhD from Cambridge in 1952. His work on electroweak theory, developed with Stephen Weinberg and Sheldon Glashow, demonstrated that two apparently distinct forces were different manifestations of the same underlying force. Their work was elegant, profound, and experimentally confirmed. So when Dr. Salam won the 1979 Nobel Prize, he became the first Muslim Nobel laureate in science and the first Pakistani Nobel laureate. This should have been a national celebration. Instead, his name was erased from Pakistani textbooks. His contributions were downplayed. Why? Because Salam belonged to the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, which was declared non-Muslim by the Pakistani government in 1974. His gravestone tells the story. Originally, it read First Muslim Nobel Laureate. After his death in 1996, authorities ordered Muslim to be removed. Now it simply reads First Nobel Laureate. Even in death, his identity was being erased. But Salam didn't just pursue his own achievements, he spent decades fighting for scientists in developing countries. In 1964, he co-founded the International Center for Theoretical Physics in TRIST, where scientists from developing nations could access resources, collaborate internationally, and pursue cutting-edge work. The center has now trained thousands of scientists from over 100 countries, and Dr. Salam believed that scientific advancement shouldn't be exclusively for those from wealthier Dr. Salam believed that scientific advancement shouldn't be exclusive to wealthy Western nations. He argued that developing countries needed to invest in science and that the international community had a responsibility to support scientific education globally. Dr. Salam won the highest honor in physics, yet he spent much of his life treated as an outsider. Too Western for Pakistan, too Pakistani for the West, and ultimately rejected by his country for his religious identity. His work unified forces in physics, but he couldn't unify the different parts of his identity in a way that the world could accept. Dr. Salam died in 1996, largely forgotten in Pakistan, but the International Center for Theoretical Physics continues his work, providing opportunities for scientists who might otherwise never get the chance. So keep learning and keep questioning.